all of the pictures and videos we've taken of this location have been early in the morning or low light conditions. Here we are, the sun shining, the wind in Plumper Sound in front of our cottage. Breathtakingly beautiful. Some mountains across on the other side again. And that's Alterna Island across on the other side. Well, I've been calling it a quarter mile, but it seems now we have a small problem right in there where we're looking. We put two traps at low tide down around 90 feet with 100 foot line, and we had some slack on it. Then the tide came up right now, and we cannot find or see our traps, so we can't go out and get them. Because I think the buoys have been pulled down under the water at high tide. So it was an IQ test that we didn't do very well on. When I say we, I mean Martin and I, Martin Beisch, my buddy Martin Beisch, and that's not enough light to get that shot. And just one of the most beautiful places I've ever been to.